Okay. Whoops, sorry. I'm trying to get big. This is my dry garden. I did a notation on that earlier this spring. We actually had 17 plants come up. But one thing that I have learned is that when in a dry environment, the bugs are going to go after anything that has moisture in it. And in this case, the only thing that really has moisture in it is the plants. So they killed all but one. I managed to save one of the 17, and then I replanted. Now some of these under the covers are starting to come up. I'm using the covers to protect them until they are large enough to withstand the insect onslaught, which I'm pretty sure will happen. However, this area has not been, well, it has been watered. I watered it today because the only plant that's left is in this center piece right here, and it is recovering from insect damage, so I just watered the whole thing today. I was going to wait until the 15th. Another thing that I have learned is when you do water with a dry garden, water slowly, because when I replanted, I dug pits, just one shovelful, and set put the seeds in and set the jars down, or the bottles down in the pit. Hopefully give them a little bit more protection. And unfortunately, the water, when I poured the water in, it didn't soak in very well. So these are still very, very wet. I'm hoping that this one will survive being watered, because the water went into the jar, I keep saying jar, into the bottle, whatever, and all of the debris, the little tiny bits of leaves and whatnot, washed over the plant. So I'm hoping that that one will survive. But anyway, this is the dry garden. It will only be watered twice a month if I feel that it is necessary, and I did today because of that recovering plant. It will only be watered twice a month, and if whatever survives, I will try again next year. Next year I'm going to be trying in a different area, because this area really doesn't get enough sun for squash. But that is an update on the dry garden.